Master EDCOIN Wallet. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to transfer EDCOIN from your EDCOIN app to your Master EDCOIN Wallet. You will need to obtain your deposit address for your Mi wallet, enter it into your EDCOIN app, and execute the withdrawal. In your Mi wallet, click on the deposit icon. Screenshot the QR code or copy your Mi wallet deposit address. Go to your EDCOIN app. In your EDCOIN app, click on Withdraw. Paste your Mi wallet deposit address. Enter the amount of EDCOIN to withdraw. Please note that the minimum is 100 EDCOIN. Slide to send. Enter your 4-digit mobile PIN. Your transaction to withdraw from your EDCOIN app is complete. Please allow some time for your EDCOIN to be received in your Mi wallet. Master EDCOIN Wallet. Let's build forward together.